Okie dokie. In this video, we are taking a look at using MDX with Gatsby and GraphCMS. This is taken from the GraphCMS examples repo over on GitHub. I'm going to download this manually with MDX degit and pop that command in my terminal, hit enter, and wait for that to clone. I'm going to change into the repo here and pop open the project. And before we take a look at the project, I'm just going to go ahead and install the dependencies here. And let's take a look at the project here. So MDX allows you to use components in your React code. So if we take a look at the Gatsby Browser here, we're using the MDX provider, and that takes a components object. And in here, we've just got the one, which is test, and this is going to render out this text here from the endpoint, which we're going to come onto in a second. We take, it's rendering the pages with Gatsby node. So we're taking all GraphCMS products from the Gatsby GraphQL data layer. And then we're using the path for products, and then we're using this product page template to render out the page. So if we take a look at the template here, this is the product page. We've got the markup for the title, the product description. We're doing some formatting for the currency on the product. And then we're using the MDX renderer to render out the body of the MDX here, using this GraphQL query in Gatsby. Okay. So that should be finished installing now. Let's spin up the dev server and yarn dev. And now that's finished, we can take a look at this on localhost and open up the page here. So this is what's being rendered out on the index page. Let's just go back here and wrap this in a UL here. Save that. So we've got our long sleeve tee, short sleeve tee, and a cap. So if I go over to, let's just do the short sleeve tee. We've got information being rendered out here. If I take a look at the GraphCMS project under the content and the product, and I go to find the short sleeve tee, I can edit this, and in the content for this, I will add the test component with a capital T. Save and publish this for both localizations here. Wait for that to finish. And because Gatsby runs the initial queries at build time, or when the dev server runs here, I'm going to stop this dev server and restart it. Now, if I go back over to localhost and hit refresh here, you can see that we're rendering out the component. That's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.